Okay, are we ready to go? Okay, I will turn on my mic here so you can hear. Alright, using this device here to see. Not doesn't seem very clear. You try your best to see, okay? Okay, I am going to the word problems here. Deal with the calculator questions first. Can see? Okay. You cannot see me on the screen here. Oh, can see my face only. Okay, I make myself here. Can? Can right? Okay, will be better. Okay, let's quickly get started. I have my calculator here. We are doing the calculator questions first because they can help us with some calculations. This is page 89, question 2. We got raised to the side here. Is it okay? The user price of desktop user price, because this is the original price, is this one. During the sale, I got the computer at a discount of 50%. So you were given the original price, given the discount value is at 15%. There are A and B. A find discount. B for so pay how much after discount. So I wrote my notes here. Is it okay? Hey, Tiffany, never mind. You try look here first. Okay? Don't miss out on what you can see on screen. Okay, now I'm looking for this two, okay? This one I took the notes. The discount and how much did he actually pay. Okay, so it's as how the previous questions were. First find a discount. The discount amount is 15% of the original price, which is $5,098. Now, if I'm able to use a calculator, I can do just press straight away 50% answer times 1098. So with a calculator, I can just press immediately and that gives me the answer 164.7. So it's in dollars, so I must have 70 cents. So I take the fraction to decimal. Okay? Now, so this one is asked for units, which is in dollars for A. Remember to add in the zero for 70 cents. Okay, let's see the actual amount that he has to pay, original price minus the discount. That will be $1,090 minus $164.70. Again, my calculator for this question 1098 minus 164.70. The answer will be $933.30. Okay, check. Two answers here, two unique. If you like to include the statement like what Sabina does, you can do that as well. Okay, moving on. Okay, so again, if it's a calculator question, I want you to practice using the calculator. So, question that involves using a calculator, I want to see you being able to press percentage on your calculator, which is the shift answer key. Okay, so questions like that, if expressed in the exam time, this question is two part A, part B. 2 marks likely, it may happen in paper 2, section A. For this type of question, it should not take a lot of time to press the calculator to get to the answer. Okay? Okay, move on. Right. Then the previous question on the same page, on page 89, that one has no calculator symbol. So this question, you have to work out the calculations yourself. Now, for this question, okay, you notice the structure is the same, almost the same as this one. Okay, so for this one, there's part A, part B. The price of the bed was $2,600. Madam Yap bought the bed and had to pay an additional 7% GST. A, find the amount of GST. B, find the price of the bed, including the GST. Okay, so you have the original price, you have the GST amount, this is 7%. A, find GST. This is likely to be 1 mark or 2 marks. B, find price plus GST. This is paid after. Okay, I've done my notes. This should be dollars, just like next question. So A, find GST amount, 7% of $2,600. Convert to fraction, I can do the cancellation, is 26 times 7. Make sure you have space for working and you write in the minutes. So A is done, move on to B. B, price of bed, including GST plus GST. Original price plus the GST amount. Dollars and you got the answer. Okay, I'll stop here for this question. You can compute the remaining on your own. This is not a very difficult question. Okay, agree? It's almost the same as the previous questions, only presented in somewhat like a word problem. Okay? If okay for you, you put give me a thumbs up. I fix. Continue on. Okay, moving on. Huh? See a lot of thumbs up already. It's almost like an explosion of thumbs. Okay, moving on to the next page. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, deposited $30,000 in a fixed deposit account, which pays an interest of 2.5% a year per year. That means every year 2.5%. Now you see this per year is you reminds you of the chapter on rates. Very good. But for P5, we are only looking at most of the questions only ask for a year. Okay, at primary 6, you can be expecting to answer questions that involve more than a year. That means you have percentage combined with rate chapter. Okay, now even if you read the sentence and the words that you don't is not in your vocabulary, like deposited, fixed deposit account, find very hard to understand. You must at least know interest. You ask yourself, the moment you see percentage, and you gotta ask yourself, there are only three terms: GST, discount, and interest. Okay, which one looks familiar? So deposit is putting this $30,000 into a bank account. Okay, that means actually fixed deposit means that you put this amount into the bank, you're not supposed to touch it. So you fix it at this amount. Okay. In future, when you grow up, or even now, if you talk to your parents about this, you ask them what's the meaning of a fixed deposit account. They probably will be able to answer you quite a bit. Okay. So basically, it means that you put this money in the bank and you don't touch it. Okay. So first, same as the previous time, as the part A and then as part B. Part A asks for interest, the amount you're supposed to fund. You have original amount of money given to you. The interest is 2.5% per year. Okay? And he asks you at the end of the year, altogether how much? Okay? Alright, so the use will be money again. So this is a calculator question. You should be able to press the calculator. I'm finding interest. The amount of interest will be 2.5% times $30,000. We practice calculator skills. Come, guys, please, let's focus. It's not very going to be very helpful if you keep disturbing the screen. Okay, I think he got the message. Let's practice using the calculator. Calculator skills again now. 2 plus 2.5. Shift answer key to get the percent. Try. You must try with your own calculator so that you remember this skill. In the exam time, when this question appear, the calculator is meant to help you. If you're going to solve 2.5, this is going to be quite a bit better. So a calculator question means you need to know the skill of the calculator. Okay? So practice, try this. Okay? 2.5 sheet answer key. You must see this. Cannot. Okay lah. Then multiply by 30,000. Got it? Okay. What's the amount? $750. So in the end, the amount of money you will have in the account will be the original amount of money plus the interest. Because you grow the money, right? So the original amount is $30,000 plus the interest of 750. Is this difficult to add? I won't bother using the calculator already. This is quite simple. If you need the calculator to check, you can now. Okay? Alright, moving on. Okay, a few more to go. Are we in good reader? Now you notice that this question is right level 2, but is it really that challenging? No. So you need to really take note. The ones that you feel confident in, these are the ones you can score. All right. But I'm really quite worried about those the questions in front. Okay. Over here, this one on page 82 to 84. All these questions that I wrote here and DIY and on video. Those of you who haven't watched them, you've got to have some discipline to complete this work. Okay. Yep. Which is very good. I'm very proud of you. Okay. Right. Moving on. Okay. So three more questions to go. I will just walk through the use steps with you, and you do the remaining on your own. Okay. Do a bit faster now. Okay. The user price again. The original price given. A pair of shoes, four shoes was $88. Okay. Mr. K was given 25% discount. So I have the original price, I have the discount. The discount given is 25%. Now, it just ask you in the next sentence, how much you have to pay for the pair of shoes after discount. So it's not asking you for to find the discount anymore. So, but you feel that it helps, you can own self because I need to find first step the discount, and then the next step, how much you have to pay after the discount. See after. Okay, so I can choose two possible methods. Okay, E means money, unit is stolen. Now, at this moment, I can go to step by step, like how the previous questions were solved. First, I find the discount. There is 25% of $88. Alternatively, for those of us who are quite fast, I just go and find the after discount percentage. After discount, the shoe is now 75%. So if I use this first method, method one, I found the discount first step by step. 25 out of 100 times $88. You see, if your fraction is very strong, you will be able to simplify this into 1/4 times 88. But if your fraction is not very strong, you're going to do 25 times 88, then divide by 100. Can you see the amount, the difference in steps? If I know here. If my fraction is strong, I can simplify 25 over 100 to a quarter, and then I can get my answer very quickly to $22 because 88 divided by 4 is 22. If my fraction is not so good, I don't know how to simplify. I have to do the long steps. Numerator and denominator times denominator, which is 25 times 88 divided by 100. Very long steps. Still work, honestly, it still work, but it will be a lot more steps and a more possibility of making mistakes. So I strongly encourage you to practice your fraction. Now, then after that, you find your discount ready, right? You find the pay after discount. Control yourself, please. Exercise self-control, handler. So pay after discount original price is $88 minus the discount $22. Answer finish. Alternatively, if I use method B, I know that it's 75%, then the pay after discount will just be 75% times 88,000. And that will be equals to 7,500 times $88, which I know how to simplify 3/4 times 88. And that will give me 66 already. Can you understand? Am I going too fast? So tell me in your reaction. Are you able to put reaction? Method one or method two? Or if you think that you can do both, you write one and two. Cannot. Please help the door. Can? Check with everyone. Let everyone send messages. Please be kind. Only kind words. Okay, so is it one or two or one and two? Okay, okay. One and two. Okay, moving on to last two questions. Huh? Feeling so far? Last two questions, and then we're almost done with the whole of the section. Okay? Now I've been guiding you quite a bit all this while. I really hope that you are able to manage it when it comes to you doing it yourself. Okay, these two questions has no calculator sign, so you need to be able to solve yourself. Okay, can you tell me if this one is called interest or GST? Page 91. Interest, very good. Okay. Page 91, question 5. Okay, Dennis starts the savings account with this amount of money at the bank. So this shows you that's the origin amount. The interest rate is 3%. How much will he have at the end of 1 year? So E is dollar sign money. There are two methods that I will show you as well. Method one is just like how we did previously. Find interest first. The interest is 3% or $4,000. So 3 out of 100 times 4,000. Answer 120. So at the end of 1 year, original amount plus the interest, you get 4,000 plus 120. Now, alternatively, method two, the 100% is the original amount of money. 100% is $4,000. The interest is 3%. At the end of the year, it should get you 103%. Are you able to understand this? Can you now see why I will be more than 100%? Can you see why I will be more than 100%? Yes, because the money grew. The money grew beyond the actual amount. The actual full amount is $4,000. Because the money grew, it become 103%. So 1% will be $40. Hey, so 103% will be 103 times 40. Gerald, I hope you are doing the right thing. Can you understand? Okay. Last question. Sorry, it's your choice. So here I can get 100% is 4,000 plus 123%. Or I can do is the same as 103% times 40. Is the same, you get the same answer. Okay, so the answer will be the same. Okay, okay, I can see. All right, so most of us will take the method one, which actually I also strongly suggest because you can go step by step. It's easier to check than trying to do like fast shortcut and find uh, answer quickly. Okay, method two is a bit faster, but actually I would suggest method one as well. Thank you, actually I can feel your strength, your strong notion for one. Okay, I know you want to do the method very much. Now, I agree actually because method one gives you a step-by-step approach. So when you are checking, it's also easier to check if there's a mistake that happens. Okay, very quickly, we move on to the last one. Okay, I'll shut off the function. Okay, the last part, last question. After this last question, I'm going to assign another task for you. Okay, you have three options. So let's quickly go to this last one here. Can you tell me, is this GST discount or interest? Discount, thank you very much. So there is the usual price, the original price. During the promotion period, you get to pay less. So let's all go with method one. Step one, find discount. 15% of $19,500. Then you get the discount. Step two, how much do you pay after the discount during the promotion period? You take the original price minus the discount, which is $19,500 minus the answer above here. Then you get the final amount. Two steps. Easy or difficult? If I is that, with that we finish all the work problems for interest, GST, and discount. give you a bit of time. Okay, everybody? Now, you have to do all the sum on your own. I'm not going to do everything for you to just copy. Please practice doing it yourself. Now I need you to think. If these questions appear in the exam, are you confident with solving yourself? Okay, that's cool. Okay, so guys, first and foremost, you need to recognize this chapter percentage has two types of word problems. Okay, the first type of word problems is on page 81 to 85. The second type of word problems is what we did today. Can you understand or not? Now, those of you who have already done page 81 to 85, do you know what I'm talking about? Yes, I think you know better because I already encountered those questions. Okay? So, for percentage, there are two types, Gerald and Jason. The two of you look like Tom and Jerry over there. Very sneaky. Change Gerald to Jerry, yeah? Please do something. Please make sure you're doing the right thing, okay? Now, boys and girls, I'm going to say this again. The chapter on percentage mainly has two types of word problems. The first type is from page 81 to 85, 84. Level 2, see? Can see or not? Which all for 82 to 84, these are already all on my YouTube channel. Those of you who have done it, you know that this is one kind of word problems. Another kind of word problems is focused on GST, discount, and interest. Now, the truth is, this topic can be easy if you are good with calculations, with fractions, definitely. Okay, and percentage. If you can cope with the calculations, these sets of word problems are not that difficult. Agree? So the only the only challenge that you have to work on is to deal with your fractions calculations, fraction times whole number. Now, okay, so we are almost done with the whole of this chapter. I'm going to skip this one, page 93. Page 94 and 96, optional, not a must. Okay? Page 94 to 96, not compulsory. But if you can do, I strongly encourage you to do. Okay? 94 to 96, not compulsory. Now, boys and girls, if you are the one of you, 14 of you, this morning, you didn't do the work problems that you're supposed to do, 82 to 84, the remaining 10 minutes or so is for you to check out the YouTube channel and then do it. For the rest of us who have completed almost the whole of it, we are running through the last check to make sure that you are getting things in order. You have completed almost everything and have almost happy to hand in already. Okay? Those blanks that you have not filled in, you fill it in. So the rest of us, 10 minutes left, you have two options. Number one, you can go on to your ALS and continue your ALS. Option number two, I'll open my booklet now with practice decimals on booklet. Okay? So three items to do now. Item number one, if you haven't done the word problem, this is the time now. Go to my YouTube channel, look for it. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, so go find it. Alright. Option number 2, those of you who have finished ALS or booklet. Okay. If you're on booklet, let's revise on decimals. Okay, or you a percentage. Okay, let's see first. Let me refresh. Yep. Thank you. Let's do a bit of decimals lah. I'm quite worried about decimals. Next week test includes decimals and ratio. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, it's a bit okay here. Which one you want? The crypto hack? Hey, don't shout, don't shout. Don't shout, don't shout. Show me your hands. Hands for crypto hack. Okay. This hands for deceptive dinos. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's a bit like crypto hack. Tower defense. 2. Actually, it's the same, almost the same number for everything, right, you all? Huh? Okay, how about the dinos one for a change? Okay? Okay, we do the dinos one for a change. Five nine four four five eight eight. Okay, can I start? Hey, anybody else ask me the CCE book? Okay, come. Yes, okay. Sabrina, I start first, huh? Okay, good job, guys. Wow, hey, I think we need to have a higher amount of correct, Hey, okay, we should aim for greater accuracy. Okay, all right. Let me see. Okay, now I'm gonna hang up the call. Everybody, we are gonna exit here already. Okay, I will. Hey, please, everybody, you can say bye bye. Okay. All right, you can start to log off, shut down. Okay, guys, I'll be looking forward to correct your percentage soon. We're going to start on average the next chapter next week. Tomorrow we'll be spending our time with a bit of revision. Okay? Alright, to prepare us for the review test after this. Okay. Those of you who have mother tongue remedial, quickly pack up and get ready to go. Yeah, okay, bye bye. Thunder, can you bye bye now? I can still see you on my screen. Bye bye. Hyla, you got the log out as well. Bye bye. Hyla is still here. Have you shut down? Never mind. Okay. Shut down already, then it's okay.